once you understand how you can take a building that's not performing and get a commercial tenant that's going to sign a lease for 10, 15 years, you're done. You don't have to market anything else. They're going to keep paying you. You just walk on and go enjoy life. Go to the beach. Go exercise. Go improve your relationships. You don't have to keep marketing and bringing people. That's why I try to avoid apartment buildings, because you can have a 100-room apartment building, 100 apartments in an apartment building, and that just, it's a lot of management, a lot of issues, a lot of marketing. Here, I sign a few tenants, 5, 10, 15 years, and I'm done. I work with the upstairs, long-term leases, or Airbnb with one lady handling it. She's amazing, and she has all the technology and tools to help her. That's how to make it, by making it easier on yourself.